So as I mentioned earlier, with the operating system, like an operating system like Linux, it believes in a lot of hierarchies, and one of the hierarchies that you would find very useful is our home. And so when you go onto any operating system, one of the first places that you would visit will be the home, and inside the home. So the home is more like the root of a particular user. So it's the beginning of a particular user. And so assuming this user, which is George, and inside the home of George is going to be these things that you have here. We'll see them in real time when we start using our CLI, and also when we start navigating and seeing a few things on here. Apart from this one, you would also have, in terms of the command line approach, you would also have the same thing. When you start doing command line, you'll be able to see the same file structure in command line. Earlier on, we mentioned that the first thing that you see is the root. And so from what we have on our screen, when we get into the details, everything here is communicating something to us, and they all mean something. This means something, this means something. So we would end up seeing what these means and why we need them very soon. One aspect about the file system is that everything that the operating system sees, whether it's a hardware, whether it's a software, this operating system will just see them as files. And so that is the only thing that you need to focus on. How do we tackle these files, or how do we go into these files? And this is what we're going to be doing now.